Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon baked sushi, step by step. First, let's prepare our foundation, the sushi rice. You will need about 2 cups of uncooked short-grain rice, which yields roughly 6 cups cooked. After cooking, gently fold in a mixture of 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This gives the rice its signature sushi flavor and texture, making it perfectly seasoned for our baked creation. Next, we will create the star of our dish, the salmon filling. Take about 1 pound of fresh, skinless salmon and dice it into small, bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, mix the salmon with 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of spicy sriracha for a kick. To enhance the richness, incorporate 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, ensuring everything is well combined. This mixture will be incredibly flavorful and moist once baked. Now, let's assemble our baked sushi masterpiece. Take your seasoned sushi rice and firmly press it into an even layer at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This creates a sturdy base. Next, carefully spread the creamy salmon mixture over the entire rice layer, ensuring it is distributed uniformly. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, generously sprinkle some furicake or toasted sesame seeds over the salmon. This adds a delightful crunch and umami. Finally, it is time to bake our sushi to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon mixture is bubbly and the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your warm, delicious baked salmon sushi by scooping it onto crispy nori sheets, perhaps with a drizzle of eel sauce or extra sriracha.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.